Hey guys, Jared Meekum here with an unboxing video from the future. Yes, that's right, I received a hoverboard in the mail today. These hoverboards have been taking the internet by storm, and I decided to get one for myself just to try it out, and it finally came in the mail. I'm really excited to get it open, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. Now, the first thing that I noticed is that this box is a lot heavier than I thought it would be. When I picked it up, I was like, holy cow, what's in this thing? Is they have some kind of cement blocks or something? This is crazy. But nope, it's just the box, and I've got my handy dandy Leatherman. Let's get this opened out of the shipping box. Careful not to cut any fingers. Uh-oh, it's upside down. Okay, are you ready for the reveal? Oh. Here it is, guys. The Smart Balance Wheel. I'm so excited, I cannot wait. So you can see here right on the box that this shows the red model. I ordered the black one, and all the way around it says Smart Balance Wheel. It has the same picture all the way across the side. On the corner over here gives some specifications, the color I ordered, the voltage, the weight, max speed. Let's open this puppy up. I love the smell of new things. Is that weird? For now, we'll set the box aside. The first thing that we see when we open the box up is the user manual. I don't think I'm gonna need that for now. We've got your charger here that you plug into the wall. I hear it charges pretty quick in about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and then you can ride it for a few kilometers or a couple miles. So we'll set that aside for now. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your socks ready because they're about to be knocked off. Here it is. Oh, it's a lot heavier than you think it is. That's funny. Here it is, guys. The self-balancing smart wheel, better known as the hoverboard. Here is the hoverboard, and on the front across here you can see that there are some LED lights. These give indication of when the scooter is balanced. And then across here you'll see the wheels. They've got a nice rubber texture, rubber feel to it. Then you'll see on the front right here, right there are some LED indicators for battery level, as far as I know. So the self-balancing scooter comes with some pressure-sensitive pads that when you step on them, you can actually feel a little click. These will activate the wheel on each side. So when both of them are pressed, they'll balance, and then the scooter will go. And then on the back side, right here, you have your power switch, and then you have your charging port. And I think that's just about it to the balance wheel. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get this charged up a little bit, and we're gonna take it for a quick test ride. Are you guys ready? I'm kind of nervous because I've seen a lot of people fall on their first test ride. Let's cross our fingers all together collectively and hope that I don't fall. Maybe you guys might want to see me fall though. It might make for something funny. Okay, let's give it a shot. So I just hit the power button, we've got the battery indicator, and now please cross your fingers for me because I don't want to die. Okay. Oh wow, you can feel a balance. I think I've got it. Da, 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 da. Okay. You just gotta be confident. Confidence is key! Confidence is key. This is the future! Is that cool? Was that cool?
I want to try it right now.
You want to try it?
Yes.
Oh, I'm nervous for you, Ellie.
It's okay, I want to.
Now, the interesting thing with these hoverboards is that there's a bunch of different places to get them, and they all have a different price. So be sure to do your research before getting one. iohawk.com has them for $1,800. There's a couple other places on Amazon that will have them anywhere between like $500 to $800. This particular one that I got was in the upper $200 range. I think the seller that I got it from raised his price within the last week or two to like $320. I'll have a few links down below to where you guys can see the price differences and everything, and then just choose your best judgment. I will say this, they are all made by the same manufacturer, so they're all the same. Everything that I've seen, all the research that I've done has told me that there's nothing different about them. So I would probably get the cheapest one that you can find that looks the same. If they look drastically different, then that might be some bad news. Chances are you're gonna get the same exact one that's made by the same manufacturer and you're not gonna spend $1,800. Okay, so initial impressions. It takes a little bit of getting used to. When you go from a fast speed to a slow speed, it wobbles a little bit, but I think I'm getting the hang of it. You just kind of have to let yourself trust it and it will do the rest for you. And that's kind of what's fun about it, is you don't really have to think about it. And if I want to go backwards, I just kind of think about going backwards, and if I want to stop, I'll stop and then roll forward. I think this is so cool. Honestly, guys, like, this is the future to me. So my wife decided that she wanted to give this a try, so cross your fingers for her now because she's about to give a go at it.
So that means I'm down. Oh, freaking A.
So try and level it out. Good job! And do slow motions. Don't do anything hasty.
Okay, so it's all in the head. You think.
Good job!
Oh my gosh, it knows my brain. This is freaking NASA. It is following my head. I am telling myself to turn in a circle.
Whoa!
I am telling myself to turn in a circle. Oh my gosh! This knows what your brain is thinking! No joke, turn in a circle. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Calvin just jumped.
He just jumped really high.
Guys, no flipping way. You just have to think and it'll do it.
Oh, she's going backwards. Careful the corner!
No, I've got it. Now go forward. Oh my freaking gosh, this was worth the money just to experience like flying.
This
almost.
is NASA.
Well, you know what I meant, not NASA,
Yeah,
but
of course, it's hilarious.
this
Lots of
is-
people are commenting.
Look at me go!
You're doing awesome.
I freaking had 2 kids. I could like, I could do anything. Look at me go!
It's rolling backwards. It's rolling. It's rolling backwards. It's rolling. I can't stop it.
Someone said this is so NASA, needs to be on a shirt. Yes, yes.
Oh, I'm dizzy. Well, guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you like this type of video, let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see any other types of videos, let me know in a comment down below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.